Hi, if love is important to you in your life, if romantic relationship matters to you, then in this video, you're going to get complete detail about your love life. Hi, my name is Nidisha, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about where is your love life headed. The next few days are going to be very important and crucial for your love life. If this period has been a little difficult for you, then trust me, you're going to get complete detailed guidance about your love life. Even if you're single or committed, I'm going to cover everything that you need to know. Also, if you want to book detailed readings, personalized reading, then the link of it is in the description below. So let's get started now. Now, first, I'm going to be seeing where is your love life headed, specifically if you're committed or you like somebody but you're not committed, but there's some sort of situationship as well. So let's see what is it looking for, the general energies about your love life for the next few days. There's this very big transition going to come into your love life. I'm also going to be picking up special cards. These are Love Universe cards for you. So first, let's see the general check for committed or those in a situationship. What's coming with you? Where is your life headed? Now, this period looks like a big decision-making period for you. It's a very strong energy. Literally all major cards are out from the deck, which means you really need to take this reading seriously. And you're going to be shocked by the accuracy when you go forward. I see this big realization that this person has had in their life, your partner basically, and this partner of yours has realized their mistake, but they want to confront something to you. They want to come up to you and be honest about something which they have done wrong or where they have hurt you. But this person is just thinking, contemplating as to how do they talk to you, how do they reach out to you, when do they reach out to you. If this person has been avoiding some communication from you, even if this is a crush or somebody you like, or there's this liking but no commitment, this still applies to you. There's this very, very big news that this person wants to give to you. Something which this person has been hiding from you. Something that they did wrong that they realized about but were not able to speak about. And after a lot of deep thinking, this person feels that they should come up to you and be sorry about something. They're also a little bit, some of them are also a little bit guilty about it, about the mistake that they've made and the way they have treated you specifically, the way a lot of granted energy is what I see. So many of you have been seeing that the importance that you should be getting when in love or relationship, you're not getting that importance, you're not getting that validation, you're not getting that support specifically. But this person wants to now support you. They've changed. They have big time changed from who they were. This is the card of karma, realization. This is what talks about balance that they seek in the relation. And this is a deep thinking of what they have done, and now they want to realize their mistake and come up to you. Sun is a very bright energy. This person wants to talk to you. This person wants to come up to you. This person wants to talk about everything that happened with them in the past few days that made them behave in a certain way which was not justifiable in a relationship. For a very few of you, I also get a third party. Yes, a third party interference or involvement energy. But it's not in a way where third party doesn't necessarily have to do with cheating, but something where the person was talking to somebody which they shouldn't be doing, or talking certain things which they shouldn't be sharing or talking about. And that also will come in the picture. A lot of truth will come out. Something that was hidden will now come on the surface. Nothing is going to be hidden. No secrets are going to be hidden. Your secrets as well. And the partner's secret as well. Everything will come crystal clear on the table. As it is. Everything will be very ugly, raw. Ugly in the sense that whatever was a makeup, all the dressing will be wiped off. And this is actually the time where you will see the real, true colors of this person. This person also promised you about a lot of things in terms with, if you're on the stage of getting married, about marriage. Oh, I want to do this for you, I want to do that for you, but has not been able to match that standards. And somewhere this person feels that you're more they are not as superior or they are not as good as you are to them. And that's why there is a guilt inside them. This is also talking about guilt. This is also talking about realization. So there's some sort of guilt that this person has from you. Let me see, where is their next move going to go? What is going to happen? What should you be doing? The most important thing. What's their next move? Look at the cards. If this is helping you, connect to my energy. Subscribe the channel for more such videos as well. Oh, you see, again, the same cards have been coming out. Okay, exactly same cards. Okay, now the next move that this person is actually going to do is, this person is going to come up to you, or somebody very close to this person. Can be, if you're in a situation where families are also involved, or some friends are also involved, some reality will come out very soon. When I mean very soon, it can be less than 2 days, 3 days as well. And for a few of you, within few hours as well. And you're going to be shocked. You're literally going to be like in this zone out situation for a while by the truth that they talk about. Some of you, some as in like very handful of them, are also going to, there's this breaking of trust. I wouldn't say breaking of heart, but yes, breaking of trust card that has come up. Very few of them are also going to break the heart of their partner, as in of you, if you're watching this. And things will settle down after that. There'll be some break that will come between both of you. Break for a few weeks, few hours as well. And then again, you will start afresh with each other. You give this person one more chance. This is the card of giving chance. Giving one more try, one more trial. Don't let this go very quickly without giving. I know you've given enough chances, but give one more chance. I do see this person is all, because there's this card of karma, realization, acceptance. If somebody is coming up to you and accepting the truth or accepting their lies, accepting their mistake, it's fair enough to give them one more chance. So from your side, you need to give one more chance. But those in the matter of marriage, if you're looking for serious commitment from this person, if in situationship, then it's not something you need to take very seriously. Give it one more chance and try to be in parity with each other. But those in marriage, with regards to trying to fix for marriage, give some few more months, and don't at least 1.5 months before you decide, or before you make the families meet, or you talk about this to him or her, or to the families. So this is not the right time for, there's this very cluttered energy. This person has accepted their flaws, but has still not realized that they have to take this to the next level. So this person needs a lot of time now to again mature up, to understand you. Go a little slow with this person. Be a little more considerate. Forgive extra. This is what is required right now. Let me see what special message universe wants to give you right now about your situation. Is there something different that universe wants to bring to your notice about your love life, if you're committed or in situationship? These are very special universe cards. So claim these energies and take it very seriously. The message is codependency, and it says addictions are affecting your romantic life. Exactly what I said. The word that I used, third party, but then not third party. Third party also means disturbances from the external world, or somebody that shouldn't be disturbing the relationship. So there's this some sort of addiction that is causing distance in the relationship, or is affecting the flow of the romantic relationship. Addictions can be in any form. A lot of times, your partner seeks attention from the external world, from somebody he or she shouldn't be seeking attention, or wants constantly somebody by their side, constantly somebody pampering them, or some habits of their, or because of the surrounding they are in, or because of the friends they have, are causing disturbances or influence in this relationship, which is unhealthy. So universe wants you to know that, validate that, and bring that to your notice. So take this very seriously. Now, this reading is if you're single, or even if you're single looking for marriage, or even if you're single looking for a partner, or wanting love, seeking love in your life, then this video is really going to help you. This reading is really going to help you. This is going to be in-depth guidance of what are the general energy. Is somebody coming into your life? What's going to happen? What should you do? And also a special love message from universe. Let's see what's the general check for your single life. This card itself means a new love. All right, let's see. Emotions. A very emotionally overwhelming energy has come up. I'll tell you what your current situation is right now. You're very emotional. You're desperately waiting for a partner, desperately wanting somebody to be with you, somebody to share the good and the bad side of the life, the happy and the sad side of the life with you. There's so much going on in your other sectors of life as well that you literally want somebody not just to love you but also to help you, specifically financially, in your career, somebody to support you, somebody to push you. You've not been getting that support from that special person for a while right now, and also you've not been able to move out of something from the past, and you feel like if the new person comes in, that's when I'll get out of my past. So you're waiting for the new person to do the job of healing you and repairing you rather than you doing that by your own self. It's like you know the reality, you know everything, that you're supposed to be practical, you're supposed to meet new people, you're supposed to be very logical this time in finding love, you have to accept what went wrong. But your mind, as in your brain, does know that, but your heart is still holding on to some emotional upsetness, emotional glitch, emotional barriers, and you are wanting love. And also what is happening is you are giving attention, you're attracting a wrong cycle in your life. Just because you're very emotional and you're seeking love right now in your life, you're okay to accept love from even unworthy people, or even people who do not deserve you right now. So just because you're getting attention, or just because somebody comes up and is trying to be good to you, doesn't mean they're necessarily nice or good. Don't look for just somebody to be there for you right now. But if you're not feeling this freeness, if you're not feeling this comfort, if you're not feeling this emotions naturally, and you're forcing something to happen right now, looks like a lot of you are forcing to fall in love, forcing to accept a certain process. Maybe you're single and looking for getting married but not okay with the arranged marriage setup, and you're struggling, you're tired, you want love but you don't have the energy to find love. And imagine how retaliating is that. If I see what, and there's also so much of this moon energy talks about insecurity, comparison. You're looking at somebody around you and you're like, why, how are they happy? I did so much, but I did not end up getting this, but the other person is so happy than me. Rather than focusing on your own self as to what went wrong with you, what is it that I did wrong, what is it that I need to change about myself, you're so much about other insecurities around you. Insecurities are also eating you up. There's a lot of dependency you want on the stress card. Like, it's like you're stressing more than actually the situation around you. Like, yes, the situation is a little worrisome, but it's not as ugly or as bad as you're trying to process. You feel like this is the end of the world. Like, if you cannot find somebody now, then you're not going to find anybody ever. But however, I do see a new energy initially itself that came up. There is a new love card. There is a new connection card. Yes, exactly. Justice. But this word justice, what it actually means is when you give justice to yourself, that's when you actually get justice from somebody you should be getting. So if you haven't been able to like who you are, accept who you are, forgive yourself for what happened, if you're not able to feel that confidence and feel that trust and faith that, okay, you can get something worthy, then how do you expect the other person to treat you worthy? That should be coming in your life. It's like you haven't done your job of being the best, and you're wanting the other person to come up to you and make you the best or give you the best. How is that possible? Sometimes it's okay to accept that you have to also heal yourself. You also have to let go of certain things. You also have to forgive. You also have to forget. You cannot be still waiting for something of the past to give you answers, or there's never going to be a 50-50. You're like, I always gave my 50, then I should be getting the 50, or I always gave my 100, but I should be getting the 100. That's not going to be possible. You're comparing too much. Either you're comparing something of the past to the present, or something around you to your reality. And you need to stop doing that. That is just destroying you rather than making you better. However, I also see, let me see, is there something, the most important thing, is there something coming up in your love life next? If this video is helping you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, connect to my energy, and every time be updated. The World card is the card of wish fulfillment. There couldn't have been a better card than this. There is new love coming into your life. And if I have to be very, very precise, I'll just give you a general idea of how soon. You can expect something, and this is also a new energy. So nothing of the past looks coming back. This is a new, fresh energy that has come up. You may expect something in the next 1.5 month, or for some of you, even 2 months. But I would say in a couple of months itself, very near. It's a very fresh and new energy, a very near energy. In very near time itself, a new love coming into your life. And this will come in a very easy way. However, there are chances you might just become a little rigid and hesitant and not want to entertain or not want to put the efforts, but put the efforts. I do see a nice life being materialized if you take it seriously. Those in arranged setup will see some more good matches coming your way, and these matches are going to be possibly outside your city or even outside your state and country for a few of you. And be ready for that. There is a change of place, change of location. These are all travel cards, a long change card that has come up. So when travel card comes up in a reading, it also means that it's going to be very different from your previous experiences that you've had in the matter of love. This is not going to be a very same old cycle of love. This is going to be a new cycle of love, a new beginning of love, a fresh beginning of love. But look for the hints. In this reading, you'll be able to understand the hint. The hint is this is going to be somebody outside your locality, outside your vicinity, outside your past experiences. And this is going to be something which will come your way. Like it's going to walk your way, or it's going to pass nearby through you. You have to catch the signs and the signal when it comes. So it's not something like, okay, you are struggling and finding and then somebody's going to come. No, this is something which will come your way. You will just have to welcome that. This will knock your door, either in the form of a proposal, or either in the form of a social media message, or as a social media follower, or something to do with even travel. If you're going to travel somewhere in the near few months, be very ready to meet somebody in this journey of travel as well. This looks more like a love energy, love as in love marriage sort of energy. So those in arranged marriage setup as well, you'll find somebody, even if it's through family, you'll find something which you will instantly fall in love with. So be careful about it. I mean, be receptive about it. Welcome that. Let me see what's this special universe message talking about. What is it in your love that you need to know right now? These are very special universe cards for love. You need to take it very, very seriously and be grateful for these messages. Exactly the word that I said, make the effort. You literally see universe has to show you what it has to show you. Like there's no shortcut. Make the effort is what exactly universe has to talk about. It says that the great love is worth taking the step you are guided to take. So it's like, you cannot just say that in my previous relationships, I've put a lot of effort. So in my new relationship, I am drained and I cannot put the effort. That's never going to happen. You still have to put the same or even multiplied amount of efforts to actually let the new relationship sustain more beautifully. So make the effort and keep remembering these universe messages every now and then when you feel like giving up. If this video has really helped you, don't forget to subscribe and also comment what is it more in your love life or any other area you want me to bring with. Thank you.